hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring O'Donnell's Raspberry Cheesecake Liqueur.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this?
This one features no chunks.
No chunks.
No chunks.
Look, no chunks, guys. Aren't you excited? A non-chunky, creamy liqueur from a grocery store. O'Donnell's Raspberry Cheesecake. Ooh, another whopping 14.9%. Woo!
From a grocery
Just
store.
another damn grape wine. This is the problem that we've discovered with GNS, cream, and caramel coloring. And that also the same guys that make Oreillys. So if you want to see the history of all that, go look at those videos of the chunky stuff. This one came from Aldi's. So
really?
Let's see what you think. Yeah, like 2 years ago from Aldi's. I just opened it, so it's still good.
I didn't think grocery stores could sell anything that had
Anything that's underneath 15% they can sell.
Right. I think it's 16.
Oh, you're right. 16. You're right. 16. You're right.
Or 16.5, because there are some wines that get up a little high.
it smells very sweet, but it smells like cheesecake.
Yeah, it smells like raspberry, cheesecake, and cream.
It really does.
And it's like
Raspberry
super
sweetness.
sugary sweet smelling.
Like that raspberry compote that just
Yeah.
Mhm.
super
Like I think this would be good like
sugary
over ice cream or something and probably delicious.
Yep.
Or over cheesecake even.
sauce.
Oh, yeah, over cheesecake. Get
It
a
would be
piece
awesome
of
with that.
plain cheesecake.
I'm getting a
that'd be good.
chocolatey note to this thing.
There's a little bit of a chocolate.
Little bit. It's also got that grapey nose that we're getting off these different grape-based liqueurs, I noticed.
But this
Yeah.
one's not sour.
No. It's
On
just-
all the other ones, it's a sour grape that
Yeah.
I get.
This is much sweeter, I think, than the other ones, too.
Yeah.
Smells nice. All right, let's see. This tastes pretty good. There's that little bit grapey, though.
It does have a little bit of a
raspberry.
grapey feel to it, but
Cheesecake,
it still has
cream.
other cheesecake component, the creaminess, and a little bit of
Okay.
raspberry hint to it.
It's all right.
It's got a little bit of a chocolate
Sour.
finish.
Yeah, a little bit. A little sour, too.
Yeah, I would have probably named this a raspberry grape chocolate or a raspberry chocolate and not a cheesecake. I don't get the cheesecake on the palate. I get more raspberry chocolate.
Maybe if it was cold, maybe you get more of that.
Maybe.
If it's cold, it takes away some of this bitterness from the grape.
Yeah, maybe so.
I don't know. I'll stick it in the fridge and we'll find out in a few weeks. I'll tell you guys in some random video.
It's a little sweet for my palate,
And of course it is.
but
Well, that's not a surprise.
it's not overly clingy. It doesn't
Mhm.
stick around for a really, really long time, which is better.
You know what it reminds me of? Like the
Man.
tinfoil from a stick of gum. Like the leftover residue from one. It's like that's what the finish reminds me of. Like a old double mint fresh gum. It's like that
Yep.
metallic finish.
I can get behind that. Yeah. It's not bad.
It's fun.
I mean, I have a
it's-
feeling it's probably better cold, like I said.
I'm thinking so.
You know.
Yeah, or over ice.
Most
It
of
was
the
$10.
cream ones are
Yeah.
better chilled.
Yeah.
in my
Yeah, I'd
opinion.
agree. Yeah, I'll stick this one in the fridge and see what happens. See if it makes it better.
Fair enough.
It's all right. It
Let me
probably
know.
would. It's fine.
The best part of it, no chunks.
Right? No chunks. We'll have a funny video about that though very soon for you guys. The next week or two, I'm gonna post a hilarious video we made about another cream liqueur.
Chunks. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell and come hang out with us live on Monday nights. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
cheers. What'd you finish off with?
Johnny Walker Blonde.
There you go.
All right, one more liqueur and we're done.
One more. And we're done.
Then next week we'll do the Dare Gaelic and a couple other good ones.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring O'Donnell's Strawberry Cheesecake Liqueur.
Raspberry.
Raspberry.